Effortlessly generate CARO and audit report. Creating CARO and audit report has never been this easy. With this tool, all the important CARO clauses are automatically added, leaving you with accurate, compliant reports in no time. Quickly prepare quality reports and save valuable time. Let's go ahead and explore this feature. Go to View menu. Select CARO and Audit Report. The name from the home page will be auto-filled into company name. Under Auditor's Info, select any CA from the drop-down in name of the auditor. Other fields will be auto-filled from Permanent Info. Click on Audit Report to generate it. Some of the following data are not entered. Please enter the same to generate report. Under Auditor Report Related Info, enter the closing date of the balance sheet against balance sheet as at. Select Having Loss only if there is a loss, leave it blank if there is profit and choose the other applicable options. These will be taken to the report based on selection. For further details, click here to view the FAQ. Let's move on to CARO. Click on CARO, select Data Entry. Click on Save. These are the clauses given in CARO report. If NA, selected in, is applicable column, response column of that clause will be autofilled as NA. Else, select hyphen and fill response column manually. For the given question, based on the selected response, the suggested reporting column will be autofilled. In the clauses sheet, if the response column is already filled and the response for that specific clause is changed in the home sheet, the changes will not be reflected. However, any modifications can be made manually in the clauses sheet. When the suggested reporting column is edited manually, the background color of the cell will change to white. Where schedules are applicable, ensure to fill them in manually. Ensure all clauses in the home sheet are completed. Once entered, the filled column will show as filled. For further instructions, refer to the help sheet in the Excel. In the home sheet, click on Generate Report after ensuring all details are filled. Click on OK. Go back to the software and click on Generate Report. If all the details are not answered in the CARO file, a message will be displayed. Select the appropriate option. Clauses that are not filled will not be displayed in the generated report. Thank you.